What's up, everyone? Here live with our 2022 Topps Chrome Baseball break. We've got 10 Topps Chrome Blasters. I'll give people 1 minute here to get joined in, and then we'll get off and ripping these. Drop a comment. Let me know when you're in hanging out. Super excited for this one. Alright, looks like we got 4 in here. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Box number 1. 32 cards in each box. 2 pinks and 2 sepias in each. Alright, good luck. Box number 1. Hulk out here on the showcase. Alright, box number 1. Good luck. Casey Mize, George Springer, Kelnick, Lars Nootbaar rookie. Pink Max Fried to the Braves. Refractor, Kyle Muller rookie to the Braves. Gavin Sheets rookie. Luis Roberts Future Stars. Sammy Long, and there we go. Wander Franco rookie sepia to the Tampa Bay Rays. Nice hit. Out of box 1. To the Rays. Beautiful hit. Wander Franco rookie sepia to the Rays, and start that one off up in Hulk. Nice hit. Tim Anderson. Excuse me. Alright, rest of box number 1 here. Javier Baez Prism to the Tigers. Kyle Muller rookie pink to the Braves. Pete Alonso refractor to the Mets. Heart of the City Tim Anderson, Jackson Reitz, and Luis Gil rookie sepia. Very nice box. Some nice rookie color and beautiful Wander. Start off box 1. Alright, box 2. Alright, box 2 here. Looking for some color. Alright, here we go. Box number 2. Miguel Cabrera insert. Rosarena and Redemption. Alright, save that for the end of the box here. A lot of big Redemption names in here. Joe Ryan rookie refractor to the Minnesota Twins. A lot of big redemptions in here. Most of the big guys have a mix of redemption autos and on-card autos, so kind of depends on color or not. And Aqua Wave here out of 199, I believe. Cincinnati Reds, Sonny Gray. Aqua Wave out of 199 to the Reds. Alright, nice box here so far, and still got our redemption. Alright, Jan Moncada, Alexander Wells, rookie sepia. George Springer. Matt Vierling, rookie. Zach Wheeler, Prism to the Phillies. Drew Ellis, rookie pink. O'Neal Cruz, rookie refractor to the Pittsburgh Pirates. What a start here in our first two boxes. How about that? So great second box here, and nice first box as well. O'Neal Cruz, rookie refractor to the Pirates. Matt Chapman. Heart of the City, P. Alonso. JD Martinez. Cronenworth sepia. Alright, and your redemption. Here we go. Good luck. You are due to receive rookie autograph green out of 99. Here we go. Green auto of Seth Beer to the Arizona Diamondbacks. Nice hit. Not one of the huge names, but can't complain about a guy with massive power, and started the year off well with the Diamondbacks. Nice hit. Seth Beer auto out of 99. And I think we're bumping the Wander for that one. Alright, nice hit. And that ends box 2 here. Alright, get these couple sleeved up and head into box 3. Alright, box 3. Nice start there with first two boxes. Hopefully more color and autos here to come. Box number 3. Good luck. Yordan Alvarez, New Classics. Stevenson, Rookie Cup sepia. Wander Franco, Rookie Chrome inserts to the Rays. Reed Detmers, rookie. Chris Sale, pink. Andre Jackson, rookie. Max Kranick, rookie refractor to the Pirates. Christian Yelich, Aqua here. Jacob deGrom. Nice hit. Aqua out of 120, 199. Nice hit to the Mets. Jacob deGrom, Aqua out of 199. Nice hit. 180 of 199 to the Mets. Javier Baez, final card. Alright, remainder of box 3 here. Dylan Carlson, sepia. Shohei Ohtani insert. Rafael Devers, Herman Marquez, prism. Ozzie Albies pink to the Braves. Kelnick refractor. And Trey Mancini. Alright. That leads us into box number 4. Alright, let's keep on rolling. Box 4. Alright, box 4. Here we go. Jarren Duran, rookie chrome. Pink rookie. Onsny Contreras to the Pirates. Christian Yelich, refractor to the Brewers. Ryan Mountcastle, future stars. Joe Ryan, rookie sepia to the Twins. Wander Franco, rookie insert number 2. Refractor and sepia, Joe Ryan. JD Martinez, rookie Betts. Kevin Gausman, prism to the Blue Jays. Giolito pink. Trey Ambergy, rookie refractor to the Reds. Shane Baz, Whit Merrifield, Heart of the City insert. Kirilloff, sepia. Joey Votto and Jan Moncada. Alright, that wraps up box number 4. Alright, and that leads us into our halfway box, number 5. Alright, box 5. Postseason baseball right around the corner. A week and a half, I believe. I think next week is the 2 weeks. Yeah, I think it's 2 weeks from today, actually. 2 weeks from yesterday, maybe. I think the last game is next Thursday, and then everyone gets, I want to say, 3 days off. Alright, Zach Short, rookie. Wander Franco, new classics, rookie insert to the Rays. So a lot of nice Wander here so far. Through 5 boxes. Put that one on the showcase. Alec Bohm, Stevenson sepia. Miguel Cabrera, Emmanuel Rivera rookie. Pink Chris Sale, Justin Turner refractor. Kyle Schwarber and Buster Posey. Turner sepia. Josiah Gray, Ryan Viade, rookie prism to the Rockies. Albies pink, Tim Anderson refractor, and Carlos Correa. Alright, that leaves us here with 5 boxes to go. Box number 6. Alright, box 6 here. Good luck. Altuve, Heart of the City. Devers, Sepia to the Red Sox. Duran, rookie insert. Pink, Trey Ambergy to the Reds. Zach Wheeler, refractor. Michael Brantley, Jordan, Future Stars, Castellanos, Sepia, Brandon Marsh, 35th anniversary, Cal Raleigh, rookie prism, Brian Hayes, pink to the Pirates, Jackson Reitz, rookie refractor, George Springer. Alright, that wraps up box 6. Alright, box 7 here. Alright, box number 7. Looking for some color. Done pretty solid on color so far. Couple aquas. Obviously the green auto. And a couple nice rookie parallels. Alright, but definitely looking for some more color here. Alright. Luck, box 7. Shohei Ohtani. Zach Short. Brian Anderson, pink to the Marlins. Yastrzemski, refractor. Purple speckle here to the White Sox, Lance Lynn. Purple speckle out of 299. 246 of 299 to the White Sox. Trevor Story, Jake Myers, rookie sepia. Jesse Winker. Blake Snell. Yachty Prism. O'Neal Cruz, rookie pink to the Pirates. Nice hits. So a couple nice parallels here for the Pirates and O'Neal Cruz. Refractor and pink. Nice hits. Alright, and remainder of box 7 here. Byron Buxton insert. Jeff McNeil's refractor. Tim Anderson, Heart of the City. Trent Grisham, sepia. Alright, box number 8. No, these are blasters. 10 blasters. Hobby does not have pinks or sepias. It's a nice thing about retail, though. You know, not guaranteed anything other than the pinks and sepias, obviously, but still a chance at autos, and you know, for the price point compared to Hobby, it seems like, you know, so far, I mean, for this break, definitely seems better compared to, you know, 2 Hobby boxes or whatever. But yeah, solid break here so far. All right, box number 8, Ohtani 35th. Oliver Ortega, Chrome Rookie Auto to the Angels. Second auto of the break. Oliver Ortega Rookie Auto to the Angels. Trevor Story, Bryce Harper pink. Josiah Gray, Jake Myers rookie refractor to the Astros. John Means sepia. Jesse Winker 35th. Fairchild rookie prism. McNeil pink. Jose Siri rookie refractor. Pete Alonso Heart of the City to the Mets. And Nico Horner sepia to the Cubs. Alright, that leads us into box number 9. Alright, let's end it on a good note. 2 boxes here. Maybe one more auto or something numbered. I'd like to see a nice numbered rookie. Blue. True blue rookie. Alright. Box number 9. Good luck. Brandon Marsh 35th. Riley Adams pink to the Nationals. Hoskins refractor. Bo Bichette Future Stars. Donaldson sepia. Tim Anderson. Kyle Schwarber, Jorge Soler prism to the Braves, Reed Detmers pink to the Angels, Delbick refractor, New Classics Bo Bichette to the Blue Jays, Vito Brahan, and Justin Verlander sepia to the Astros. Alright, and that leads us into box number 10. Alright, good luck. Recap at the end of the break, if anyone missed out on anything. Alright, last chance, box 10. Here we go. Yeah, definitely not too bad at all. And 3 numbered cards too. We got the DeGrom out of 199, and then 2 others off to the side here. So yeah, pretty solid for just 8 blasters here, so or 9 blasters now. But all right, Bichette New Classics, Pavin Smith sepia, Ohtani 35th. Miguel Cabrera pink, Connor Wong rookie refractor to the Red Sox. Alright, and remainder of box 10. Dansby Swanson sepia to the Braves. Jesse Winker, Bo Bichette, Yachty Prism to the Cardinals. Brandon Marsh base rookie. Manea pink, Vladdy, Casey Mize refractor, and Max Scherzer. Alright, and that ends this one here. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Be back in about 10 minutes with our select blaster break. Select football. But first here, do a recap. Start off with some rookie color, pinks, refractors, prisms, and sepias. Alright, pinks here first. Detmers Angels, Adams Nationals, Zambergy Reds, Contreras Pirates, Ellis Diamondbacks, Mahler Braves, sepias. Myers Astros, Wells Orioles, Gill Yankees. Refractors, Wong Red Sox, Myers Astros, Siri Astros, Reitz Brewers, Ambergy Reds, Kranick Pirates, Mahler Braves. Prisms, Fairchild Diamondbacks, Raleigh Mariners, Viade Rockies. Couple base rookies. Brendan Marsh to the Angels, 1 Jarren Duran 35th, and 1 base rookie. Veteran color here. Alright. Christian Yelich refractor, Brewers. 2 Yachty Prisms, both to the Cardinals. Pinks, Brian Hayes Pirates, Harper Phillies, Miguel Cabrera Tigers. Sepia is Swanson Braves, Verlander Astros, Devers Red Sox, Stevenson ×2 to the Reds, Carlson Cardinals, Alonso refractor. Inserts here. Byron Buxton Speckle Twins, and Heart of the Cities Tim Anderson White Sox, Altuve Astros, Whit Merrifield Royals, Alonso Mets, Tim Anderson again to the White Sox, and Alonso again to the Mets. Couple Joe Ryans, 1 rookie refractor and 1 rookie sepia, both to the Twins. Couple numbered here. Sonny Gray, Aqua Wave out of 199 to the Reds. 150 of 199, and Lance Lynn, Purple Speckle out of 299, 246 of 299 to the White Sox. And a couple Wander 35th anniversaries to the Rays. Alright, and your showcase. Oliver Ortega, Chrome Rookie autograph to the Angels. Jacob deGrom, Aqua out of 199 to the New York Mets. Nice hit. Pretty card. O'Neal Cruz, Rookie Pink and Rookie Refractor, both to the Pirates. Nice hits. Wander Franco, Rookie Sepia and New Classics. If I did, Jake, we'll get it sleeved up during shipping. And your Hulk Smash hit of the break to the Arizona Diamondbacks, Seth Beer, green rookie auto out of 99 to the Diamondbacks. Nice hit to the D-backs. Alright, appreciate everyone hanging out for this one. I will be back here shortly with our select break, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.